Hello, cohort. This is Andrea White here, and I wanted to show you how to use the audio and video tools when you have your own course. I thought the video would be really helpful just for that visual. I do apologize. I have a tiny little bit of a cold, but hopefully you can hear me. So when you are in an assignment, and I only recorded about 3/4 of my screen, so you cannot see the student I am grading name. So right here, when you're ready to use the tool, I just put, please check out my audio feedback here, or you could say video feedback, and the video will show up as a box, and then you just press play. So for the audio, I'm going to show you, and I'm hoping this works. So when you're ready, you just hit record audio right down here, and you will see the record video right here as well. Click on record audio, and we're going to record something very short. Hi, how are you? I hope you are doing well. And that's it. Hi. And then you're going to click add. And I like to put, just so-and-so's feedback. And I always click English. And I always click automatically generate captions from audio. So the student can use the captions. And click on add. And this will be something similar for the video as well. Now, as you will see, below the box, you will see the attachment show up. So for a while, I thought the students could see that, and I found out quickly that they could not. So what you have to do is you just right-click it, and it will come up. Oh, see, it's still being processed. So this is to give it a little bit. It usually takes less than a minute, so I might right-click it again. Oh, still being processed here. To give it another 5 seconds. So basically, when it comes up, you will see a little icon, like a little kind of circle, and you will download it there. Let's try it one more time. Oh. All right, so wait about 5 more seconds here. So it usually takes under a minute. Oh, there we go. Okay, so you see this little tool right here. You just right-click that, download, and then you are ready to upload in the box. So go ahead and click on Insert Stuff, My Computer, and this is the same steps for the video as well. Choose File. I always choose the last one. I downloaded, and then click upload. Same thing here. I always put, X's feedback, person's feedback, just in case. I do not click start playing. You could do that, but I do not, just because sometimes they want to play it when they want to play it instead of it start playing when they open the feedback. And then here it shows up just like that. It's really nice. So basically it is the same exact steps for a video, except it's a video. So you'll see like the video show up as well. So I hope that helped. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I really encourage you to use this tool in your own courses. Thanks so much.